Hello friends, welcome to my Technofunology YouTube channel. In this video, I am discussing about market pearl reviews, bonuses plus live demo. So let's start. First, I am discussing about what is a market pearl. My valuable subscriber read my quick market pearl review and grab these 20 exclusive bonuses before the deal end. This is my bonus page. So what is a market pearl? Take a sneak peek of words only app that create a lightning fast website, pages, pop-ups, splash pages and sticky bars and sends unlimited email with a zero hassle. Market pearl is useful for business coaches, affiliate marketer, e-commerce seller, all info, gyms, music classes, sports clubs, bars, restaurants, hotels, schools, churches, taxi service, garage owner, dentist, carpenter, and lawyers, real estate, and home tutor. With a market pearl, you can market and sell any product or service in just three easy steps. Step one is select the template or start from sketches. Select from our 100 professionally designed, tested, and proven to convert template or start from scratches. Step 2 is edit and customize. You can edit and customize the pages, emails, and pop-ups according to your niche or businesses. I discussed about niche. Step 3 is just shoot and profit. You just publish the pages or send the emails to your list and start enjoying sales and profit. World's only all in one app. World's only all in a one app that comes with everything you need to market and sells any product or service. You get extra 5% discount by using my coupon code. If you buy this, so you click on this orange button and you grab market pearl plus my 20 exclusive bonus. I will discuss later about my 20 exclusive bonuses. We guarantee that after the market pearl you will never have to buy any website or page builder or notification tool or email marketing software. Why I discuss about market pearl. First, create any type of landing page, lead page, sales page, membership bonus, product review and page more. You create a complete website. Next gen drag and drop editor to create pixel perfect pages or template from scratch. 100% high converting beautiful page, pop and email templates and mobile friendly beautiful and fast loading website and pages so you don't lose a single visitor, lead or sales. Build massive profitable list from blog, website, lead pages. Send unlimited beautiful emails and click and open rates instantly. Our intuitive editor, deep analytic, know your open click and impression to boost the result and boost open rate and SEO friendly social media optimized pages. Use friendly business central dashboard, seamless integration, advanced subscriber management, precise analytics to measure the performance and know exactly what is working and what not. Inbit list cleaning, list checking included, unmatched webinar set and forget integration, smart tagging for easy segment and 100% unbreakable security, subdomain name included, and behavior oriented pop-up technology and no need for expensive domains or hostings. Behavior or oriented pop-up technology. Get 50,000 page viewers monthly for no additional charges. Capture maximum audience and free hosting is include and 100% newbie friendly. Import your subscriber and capture maximum audience. 100% GDPR and CN. Spam compliant lead capture and emailing system. Live chat customer support so you never get stuck. Pulse for a limited time. You will also receive free commercials license when you get start today. Now I am watch review about the market pearl. This is a market pearl software. You click on here, JV demo, audience campaigning and A/B test analytical. You look audience segments. You choose any segment from here. and contacts list, suppression list, and tag. And you go to the campaigns and you show here page, pop-up, and bar, mail, and all campaigning. I click on page, and you click on a new page. You give name demo pages, and you click on the create button, so you create the page. This is a gallery. You choose any one template from this gallery, the most converted and brand new. Here is a lead generation page, thank you page, free download resources coming soon, or webinar page, sales and upsells page, pre-launch bonuses page, sales promo product launches page. You select anyone from this. So I select first this page here. Click on this page. Templates select successfully. You change logo place from left to right, right to left. You click on this delete button, you click on this, you click on duplicate button, so you get a duplicate of this logo. Crop, you add a link in this logo. Change image. Okay. You change image, you change date. You click on this, and I change the date 9. You change the color from here. You change the front. You add any link in this date. You click on the plus button, is a headline, paragraph, image, video, shape, selection, timer, icon, and others. So you can add anyone. You can drag and drop any image. You can change and delete anything. You can add here, buy now. You can add link in this button. You can add the Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn icon. And after you adding, you click on save as a template, so your bonus page is saved. And you can watch a preview, so click on the preview button. This is a mobile view. You click on this setting button and select conversation goal, sales, lead acquisition, share count, and link clicks, and enter acquire lead score. Here is a Google Analytics, Facebook remarketing, third party JavaScript, SEO, cookie consent, restore version, anything is here. We click on this save button, and now we click on this campaigning, and we click on the pop-up bar button. Pop-up bar is a very useful for website, and we choose the pop-up and bar. We click on this button and we give the name demo pop-up bar, and we click on the create button. We choose anything from this gallery you look at. Okay, I choose this. You choose anything from this gallery and you change. You customize this. You add this timer. You add this register now. You change anything. Okay, we go to back. This is a mail template. We click on this mail. Click on this new page. I give the name mail demo and click on this create button. I choose the template from this gallery. I choose Integro Cells template, and you can change anything in this template. So look at, you get lots of template here. You can easily work. This is a mail demo. And this is a click on campaigning, so you show the all campaigning. This is a A/B test, is a page, pop-up bar, mail, and it is a analytic. You analytical page, pop-up bar, and mail. And you click on this button. Here is a business setting, manage business detail integration and custom domain. Here you add anything, upload your logo, channel, installation, custom domain, business SEO, analytics, webmaster, others. You click on this mail setting. You can add any plugin for mail, and you click on the integration, custom field, lead score rules, anything. You click on the new integration button. So you add a new integration for get response, mail primo, MailChimp. You add your title and API key. So you add the MailChimp's integration. This is a very useful for you, and you create any type of pages here, and you create a website by using this MarketPearl. This is a MarketPearl preview page. Create unlimited smart pages, email and sales booster, 200 plus ready, plus use template, landing pages, webinar page, high conversational email option, pop-up, lead generation pages, thank you pages. I discuss in demo video. Build mobile friendly and fast loading landing page, website pages for any marketing. This type. Grab 200 plus beautiful and battle tested done for you lead page, pop-up and email template. This is a template. 360 email lead capturing technology. and upload contact, create list and manage them. Create mobile friendly pages fast. Contact marketplace with your favorite tool with cutting edge integration, 50 plus integration with autoresponder and other service. I watch in demo. Integrate with your SMTP easily, and list cleaning, list checking include at no extra cost. Smart tagging for easy segmentation, a true conversation booster, and advanced SPM checker makes sure your email get delivery. Give you link bonus page below the description of this video. You check it and you get automatic and free SSL encryption, can spam GDPR, easy copy paste Facebook remarketing, Google remarketing, webmaster setup, manage all campaigning project and client in a one sample dashboard. No website, no hosting, no domain needed. This is the bonuses. Want to purchase this, you click on this button and you grab Market plus my 20 exclusive bonus. Business, online home business. Starting a profitable online marketing business is a dream for almost everyone, but getting into reality is something that is tough to crack. And check out this practical hand-on video course with 15 additional over the solder video tutorials showing you how make everything simple and easy, and use techniques you learn in the course. Bonus number 2 is a simple startup look exciting and lucrative, but getting them from paper to reality is not easy. Is it look, don't worry, as we got you cover here. In this guide you are going to learn about some of the best way to save money, get profitable faster, and avoid having to seek funding before your company is truly ready. Also discover how to start your business with the least possible investment, and how to manage your money until your company become a profitable. Bonus number 3 is a digital sales. With the digital economic booming and our $100 billion dollar in a digital product sold yearly, there is never been a better time to create your own digital storefront and get in on the action to get you on the success platforms. In this report that will help you to quickly start selling digital product without getting confused or overwhelmed along the way. And affiliate marketing is the best way to build scalable business online without worrying for any product creation or any other hassle. Keeping this is a concern, here is a useful PLR package you get done for you sales page system, which eliminate the work and make it easy for your customer to start making money selling this high quality content. It build a list when pre-made list building package that include a squeeze page, a high quality report, and 7-day autoresponder series. Bonus number 5, I discuss very fastly. I give you link of this page below the description of this video, so you watch it and you learn more. Simple guide to promoting affiliate product. The key to your affiliate success depend on the quality of your affiliate product. You should choose your affiliate program carefully. With this wonderful bonus, you will learn all the tricks of this competitive field and earn a passive income of potentially $1,000 a month. And the best part is you get all this benefit without actually creating a product. You want to purchase the Market Pearl, you click on this button and you grab Market plus my 20 exclusive bonuses. You use my coupon code Market Pearl and you get extra 5% discount. I discuss about the bonus number 6, ClickBank marketing secret, and bonus number 7, how to use a webinar for your business. A webinar are one of the few online marketing methods that allow you to have real-time communication with your audience, build credibility and authority, and ultimately drive more sales and profit in your business. With this video course, you will learn how to create high-quality webinar, prepare effectively for a webinar, sales product and high-ticket offer through the webinar, and much more. Bonus number 8 is a lead generation on demand. Keeping this in mind, this comprehensive guide show you how you can generate lesser targeted lead for your offer and make the most out of them, boost your success. Bonus number 9 is a viral list autopilot. And bonus number 10 is a email marketing basic video course. You want to purchase this software, you click on this button and you grab MarketPal plus my 20 exclusive bonuses. You use my coupon code as a MarketPal and you get extra 5% discount. I discuss about bonus number 11, email list management secret. Bonus number 12 is a professional email, and bonus number 13 is a evergreen infographic pack, and bonus number 14 is a social traffic rush, and bonus number 15 is a traffic handbook, and bonus number 16 is a live desk pro, 17 is a instant content creator, and bonus number 18 is a web conversation video, and 19 is a article indexer pro, and 20 is a 10 keys of product creation success. You want to purchase this, you click on this button, you grab MarketPal plus 20 exclusive bonuses. You use my coupon code MarketPal and you get the extra 5% discount. That is a huge worth of $2,695. I give you link of this bonus page below the description of this video. Now I am discuss about the OTO. The front end option 1 is a $47 and option 2 is a $97, and OTO number 1 is a $47 per month, and option 2 is a $197 and downsell is a $67. OTO number 2 option 1 is a $47, option 2 is a $97. OTO number 3 is 200 clients with a price of $47, and option 2 is a best seller unlimited clients, price is a $97. OTO number 4 is a premium memberships with $27 per month, and 1 year price is a $197, 40% discount, and best seller is a 5 years price is a $497 and 70% discount. So 30 days money back guarantee, and MarketPal for start is, and MarketPal is a pro commercial. So you get you get create 50 landing pages and unlimited beautiful email, unlimited email scheduling, create 50 sales booster pop-up timer and bar, number of contacts 10,000, page visit monthly, and number of email list and subdomain and website, and number of custom domain 10, and proven converted DFI template. You read all this, and this price is only $47.95, and price is a pro commercial is a $67.95. In pro commercial you get unlimited landing page, send unlimited beautiful email, unlimited email scheduling, unlimited sales booster pop-up timer bar, number of contact 30,000, a page visit per month 30,000, number of email list 100, subdomain per website 50, number of custom domain 50, proven converting DFI template 200 plus, fully customized drag and drop and 360 email lead capturing technology, upload contact, create list, manage them, and a precise analytic for pages, pop-up and emails, boost email delivery, click and open rate, list checking to further boost email delivery, use smart tags and personalization option to boost open rate, advanced spam checker makes sure your email get delivery, works seamlessly with almost every SMTP server, reduce bounce rate of your email campaigning, secure with automatic free SSL, and 50 plus cutting edge integration, search engine and mobile optimization, landing page, copy paste Facebook, Google remarketing, GDPR and CAN spam complaint, customized drag and drop, Business Central, no expensive domain or hosting required, mastermind, FB group, easy and intuitive to use software with a step-by-step video training, 100% UB friendly and fully cloud-based software, live chat, customer support, commerce license included, and a use for your client, and a provide high in demand service. So if you want to buy this, you click on this button and you grab market pearl plus my 20 exclusive bonus. I give you link of this bonus page below the description of this video. You go to there and you check out it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, you hit the like button, and if you don't subscribe my channel, if you subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.